Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video, we're going to look into the world of e-commerce and shine a light on one of the most popular platforms out there, Shopify. So if you're considering setting up your own online store, Shopify is likely on your radar. But what about the pricing? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Shopify's pricing structure, explore its various plans, any transaction fees and additional costs, and we'll also compare it to some other platforms that are similar to Shopify, like Wix and Squarespace, to see how Shopify stacks up. But at the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what you're getting with your money with Shopify and whether it's the right fit for your budget and your business needs. So let's start. So Shopify's pricing is pretty clearly stated in their pricing page on their website. So you just go onto the Shopify website here and you just want to click on pricing to see what their pricing is like, basically. So Shopify offers a variety of pricing plans to accommodate different business needs and sizes. So here are the main pricing plans as of right now. You can decide if you want to pay monthly or if you want to pay your plan yearly. It's worth noting that with a lot of these popular pricing plans, especially with Shopify, you tend to save more if you were to pay the annual fee as opposed to the monthly fee, but you do get the option to choose both. So sticking with the monthly fee, you get the three basic plans with Shopify. You have the Shopify Basic, you have Shopify, and then you have Shopify Advanced. Each of them have different price points and each of them have different features with those price points. With Shopify Basic, this plan costs about £25 a month and it's designed for businesses that primarily sell through social media channels or existing websites. It includes features like a buy button that allows you to embed products on your website or blog. In terms of any additional fees, there are different credit card rates with the basic plan as well. So there's a 2% credit card rate plus 25p online, but there's also a 1.7% credit card rate, but with no additional fees if they were to buy in person. Other things that's available within the Shopify Basic are you get basic kind of financial reports. You can get up to 1,000 inventory locations and you get 2 staff accounts. So if you are a 2-person business or if there's another account that you want to add, then instead of sharing logins, they can create their own account and you can add people to that website. So very basic plan. It does give you everything you need to create your store and ship your products and process your payments, just slightly limited and slightly higher credit card rates as well. Next up, you have the Shopify plan, and this includes the same features as the basic, but with a little bit more functionality. So this plan is priced at £65 a month. And in terms of the additional fees, so the credit card rates are slightly lower online than the Shopify plan as opposed to the basic plan. It's lowered down to 1.7% and for online and 1.6% in person. And in terms of other features that you have, you can get more professional reports. And instead of 2 staff accounts, you get 5 staff accounts. So if you are a slightly bigger team, then they can create their own accounts and you can add them onto it as opposed to sharing logins over and over again and making it slightly less secure. Other features includes abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, and again the lower credit card processing fees as well. And lastly, you have the Shopify Advanced, and this is significantly higher at a significantly higher price point, but there are a lot more benefits to it. So it's geared towards growing businesses, and this plan costs about £344 a month, and it offers a lot more advanced reporting, including a custom report builder. And in terms of credit card rates, it's lower as well than the other 2 plans. So online, it's about 1.5%, and in person, it's lowered down to 1.5% as well. And in terms of staff accounts, you can have up to 15 staff accounts as well. So again, it's geared toward the growing businesses and has a lot more features that way as well. Other advanced features include the custom advanced reporting using Shopify's API. They also have third-party calculated shipping rates and the ability to do those reports as well. If you scroll down on the Shopify website, you can see a little bit more of the plan's features. So you have it separated into the basic, Shopify, and advanced. And you can scroll down and see a little bit more of what is offered between each of those plans. So things like the third-party calculated shipping rates is only with the advanced plan. In terms of payments, you can see all of the actual additional fees, any processing fees as well, and what they are, as they're all priced differently within the different plans as well. It's also important to note that all 3 plans come with a free trial. So you can start for free for about 3 days, no credit card required, and within those 3 days you can set up your shop, you can play around, and if you're new to Shopify, then you can see, you know, how to add products, how to manage your products, how to set up drop shipping, things like that. And then after the 3 days, if you want to continue, you can use you can try any of the plans, each of these plans here, for £1 a month. So if you wanted to see exactly what you can get, say for example with the advanced plans, you can get the first 3 months for £1 off, which is a really amazing offer. It's considering as the actual cost of this is £344, but it allows you to kind of test every single feature for 3 months and see if it's something worth doing. If not, you can also test it with the Shopify plan or the basic plan as well. So they do give you a really good option to test all of the features, test all of the plans, and that way you can see exactly, okay, are these features useful for me? Are these features something that I need? And after the 3 months, you can essentially just pick the plan that you think is more suited to you. Overall, Shopify is a really good option in terms of setting up your e-commerce store, and the fact that they have the 3 different pricing plans as well just shows that they are geared toward different businesses that are at different stages of their business cycle. So definitely one to consider whenever you are deciding which e-commerce platform to choose whenever you are setting up your e-commerce store. So next up is Wix, and Wix is similar to Shopify in that it is an online website platform that allows you to quickly and easily build your website. Unlike Shopify though, they do have an e-commerce feature, but you can also set up a personal blog or a basic website without any e-commerce features as well. But in this video we'll stick to looking at the business and e-commerce features as well. But Wix itself is a really popular cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create really stunning websites without any coding knowledge. It comes with a powerful drag and drop website builder. They have extensive customization options. They have an extensive app market similar to Shopify that offers a variety of apps and integrations to enhance website functionality. And it offers a really robust e-commerce section and features which allow users to set up and manage online stores quite easily. Similar to Shopify, they can showcase products, manage the inventory, process payments securely, and track orders. The platform supports various payment methods and also provides tools for inventory and shipping and tax calculations as well. So Wix offers a range of pricing plans to cater for different websites and business needs. When you go onto their pricing plans, you can see they have a number of different plans, but it's split into 3 main categories. You have their website plans, you have your business and e-commerce plans, and then you have enterprise plans. So website plans really are for personal blog websites, portfolio websites, kind of simple websites that maybe are geared to more of the reading and blog type websites as well, like a showcase type website. And then you have the business and e-commerce plans. So if you plan on making any kind of transactions on your website, whether that's selling products or selling event tickets or selling booking appointments and accepting payments for bookings, you will need a business and e-commerce plan as they'll able to be accept payments. So we'll focus on the business and e-commerce plans. And then with the enterprise plans, this is more for large scale businesses, and with these plans you essentially will be talking to a Wix sales expert and you can tell them exactly what your business needs are, and they'll be able to recommend you and give you essentially a custom plan. They'll have the exact features that you need to make it exactly how you want it. It will be slightly more expensive than the business and e-commerce plans and the website plans, but you are getting essentially a custom plan that suits your needs exactly. So starting off with the business and e-commerce plans, it's split between 3 different ones geared to different business types. You've got the business basic, business unlimited, and business VIP. So with the business basic, this is the cheapest plan that there is, and it's about £15 a month. With the business basic, you have all the features that they mentioned, including accept payments, custom domain, free domain for 1 year, customized reports, and customer care, things like that. But they're all different. They're all limited depending on which plan that you pick. So with the Business Basic, you have unlimited bandwidth, you get the custom domain, you can accept payments, and things like that. However, in terms of storage space, you only get about 20 GB. And in terms of video hours, you only get 5 hours of video that can be streamed on your website. So in this case, if you are a particularly large website that have a large inventory, or if you have lots of images for your website, then 20 GB may not be enough for you. But if you know that actually you're not that big, you're just starting out, then this would be a better plan for you, as 20 GB is still quite a lot of memory as well. Then scaling up then is the Business Unlimited, and this is for growing businesses. It's about £20 a month, so not that much difference between the 15 to the 20, but with this one you just get more storage space, and you just get more video hours as well. And then with the Business VIP, you get all of the features except you get more storage space. You get all the way up to 50 GB, and you get unlimited video hours. You also get priority customer care, so all of the plans come with 24/7 customer care, so you can submit a ticket, you can request a phone call with any issues that you're having, whether that's with your account, with the website, and things like that. But with the priority customer care, it just means they'll get back to you a little bit faster, but you still get the customer care anyway with the Business Basic. Even with the free plans, you get the 24/7 customer care. In terms of any additional costs, so Wix generally just take the cost of your hosting plan. In terms of if you were to add a payment method like Wix Payments, then they will take a 1.5% fee, and all the other third-party payment platforms that you choose will they have their own credit card fees. So for example, if the only payment method you are going to add on your Wix website is PayPal, then the only fees that you're paying is the hosting fees, so one of these plans, and then you're also paying a fee, paying whatever PayPal's fees is. I think it's about 1.3%, but that fee goes to PayPal. It's not a fee given by Wix, so you're really just paying the Wix hosting plan. If you're using Wix Payments, then you're paying their fees, but if you're using any other third-party payment methods, then you are paying whatever their fees are. And on top of that, additional costs may apply for domain registration, premium apps, and third-party integrations and things like that. But overall, it's a pretty affordable. It's a pretty affordable plan. If you scroll down, you can see a little bit more of their features of what you can add. But there's a lot of features even with the basic. And if you're just starting out, then with Wix, Business Basic, you can just start out adding a few products and see how that goes as well. Unlike Shopify though, they don't offer any kind of free trial. So once you pay so you would need to actually just pay maybe like for 1 month and see how that goes. So it's up to you if you want to take that risk. They do have a free version. Now with the free version, you can still set up your store. You just won't be able to accept any payments, but you can at least set up your store, get the look and feel, see if it's comfortable to use, and then if you're happy with that, then maybe consider actually purchasing a business and e-commerce plan to actually start accepting payments. But overall, Wix has been used many times by lots of different businesses for their e-commerce website, so definitely it's also another contender if you want to think about using any other kind of e-commerce platform apart from Shopify. So now let's compare with Squarespace's pricing plan. So Squarespace is another online website builder, and it offers a really robust e-commerce functionality for businesses looking to sell products or services online. They provide a user-friendly interface for managing products and inventory. They have a wide range of professionally designed templates, the secure checkout, and lots of sort of options for like shipping rules, built-in marketing features to help promote your products and things like that. So Squarespace offers several pricing plans to suit different website and business needs. So here are their main ones. So you can see this on Squarespace's website. And similar to Shopify, you can choose either to pay annually or by paying monthly. But again, with these types of plans, you tend to save more. They tend to have offers on paying annually. So you have about 29% for some of the plans, 25%, 18%, and things like that. But in terms of the pay monthly, these are the kind of pricing that you're looking at. For all of their plans apart from the personal plan, are suitable for your e-commerce business. With the personal plans, you do get a templated website, and you just won't be able to actually add any e-commerce functionality to it. But starting off with business plan, it's one of the best value plans. If you were to pay for it annually, you get about 29% off. But it's good for businesses that are just beginning to grow and they want to be able to take payments for their website. So the downside of this plan is that while you do have the fully integrated e-commerce, they do add a 3% transaction fee on any kind of transactions made on this website. If you click on this little I button here, but it's for a 3% transaction fee on any kind of sales that you have. So there is that. However, with the Commerce Basic and the Commerce Advanced plans, there is a 0% transaction fee. So they only charge a transaction fee on the business plan. They don't charge it on either of the commerce plans. And with the commerce plans as well, you can have templates, advanced website analytics, but you can also have powerful merchandising. So Squarespace Commerce comes with built-in tools to help you increase sales. And then with the Commerce Advanced, you can have more sort of advanced shipping rules, advanced discounting, and you can sell subscriptions as well. If you click on the compare plan button at the below, it can tell you exactly what you're getting in terms of like features as well, in terms of bandwidth, resources, and things like that. And you can really go through and see what you're getting. But essentially, unless you are one of the commerce plans, you will be getting that 3% transaction fee on top of the plan that you're buying as well. Something to keep in mind. And unlike Shopify, unlike Wix, you do get a free trial. With Shopify, you get a bit more in terms of you get 3 days free, but then you get £1 a month for 3 months. So it's not as good as that, but you do get to try it free for 14 days. So about 2 weeks, you can test out one of the plans and see if you like the user face, like the interface, see if the plan features are beneficial to you or not. I still recommend Shopify's free trial, as theirs tend to be more comprehensive. So it's free for 3 days, and then you can pick any plan to try out for the 3 months, and you'll be like £1 a month. So still very good. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Shopify's pricing. We've talked about different plans, transaction fees, any additional costs that can come with using Shopify, and we've compared it to other platforms like Wix and Squarespace. But remember that choosing the right pricing option for your online store is crucial for your business success. It's important to consider factors like your budget, anticipated sales volume, and the features that you require as well. So you want to take the time, assess your needs, and align them with the pricing plans offered by various platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on e-commerce, online business strategies, and tech-related topics. Also, let us know in the comments which e-commerce platform you prefer and why. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video was useful. And until next time.